She came in to see the kitchen and was just blown away with it. You know, I think sometimes when you live with it, you don't realise how nice it is.
My name is Billy, this is my wife Lesley. We live in West Lothian, we have 3 children and a dog called Finn. We were looking for a kitchen seriously last year. We visited a few showrooms, went to Howden's, B&Q, Wicks.
And we didn't really see what we were looking for. The minute we went into Wren, I saw my kitchen and it was perfect.
Sam was our designer. When we went in to meet him first time, he sat down with us and actually designed the kitchen. Sam took us through the showroom and actually introduced us to the types of worktops we could choose, the taps, the sinks, the actual carcasses and the doors themselves, because they come with different thicknesses, different materials, different colours. And we actually done a design that night, albeit it was like a first draft. We looked at it and we decided, listen, this is the kitchen for us.
Do you know, we were talking about the kitchen this morning and if there was anything that we would change in our kitchen, and we quite literally said no, there's nothing we would change in the kitchen. I think we made so many changes in the design process, but I think we've got it just spot on, so we're really happy with it, aren't we?
Changes that we went back for were numerous, however nothing was too much bother for him. He kept in touch through phone calls and I've got numerous emails as well from Sam, and I can highly recommend him to doing the design.
Although we had disruption in the house at the time when the kitchen was being installed, there was also a bit of disruption outside in the garden because there was lots of boxes and things. As soon as the kitchen, in fact before the kitchen was done, they came and they removed all the boxes, all the old kitchen, everything that was there, didn't they? Which I thought was really good. Yeah, it didn't lie there for any length of time.
I think we went through the A to Z with the kitchen being installed by the end, designed by the end, the old kitchen being removed by the end.
I think maybe sometimes people will think, oh, you know, they're just saying this because it's a Wren kitchen in you, but it's really not, is it?
No.
I mean, it's really, we are delighted from start to finish.
Absolutely.
Love my kitchen, do love it.